Okay, World Wide Web. Let's see here. Switching up gears today. Got a project I'm working on for painting the exterior of a house, and I'm going through and doing repairs on the cracks. So it's a stucco home. Now I've completed the front, but this back half has got a lot more going on as far as repairing on the surface. So it's like chipped out there. It's got a crack here. This is just a little like foam, and then they stucco over that. So I'm gonna have to figure that out as far as doing a decent repair, because I don't want to just slap paint on it and call it good, and I haven't done the crack repairs. There's more up there. Yeah, and the gutters. I gotta sand down the wood and make it look nice, and that's what I'm doing. So we're switching gears today. Do this repairs on stucco. Stucco is pretty durable stuff. It's you can see why they use it. It is really durable, and it looks nice. It goes up quick too. I think they do it different ways. You can put it on by hand. They spray it on, but it's a good material. So I figure, try to do the repairs, get that stuff done. It'll help it last longer, and it'll make for a nice finished paint job when it's all done. Okay, look at that. There's a big one right there. See, I gotta get that, because if I just feel like, if I just slap paint on the cracks, they'll just get bigger. The surface integrity will eventually corrode, and it'll be all for nothing. So that's the deal today. All right. Maybe I'll do an update, like show what I've done to do repairs on this stuff. Cool. Okay, I'm back. Quick update so that there you can see we're using this like epoxy flex epoxy exterior crack sealant, and then so I'll go ahead and lay that out on the cracks and get that worked in there, and then I come back and I use like a mud mixture, stucco repair, and it's got some a little bit of sand and a little bit of Portland cement and some stucco. Got that, and we'll finish it off with that and try to blend it in. So once I prime everything, it looks seamless. That's what I'm working with right there, and I'll just continue that throughout the rest of the surface, and make a durable repair. All right, there it is. All right, internet, we back. That's where we're at with the stucco crack repairs. That's where it's at right there. Just wanted to get back to you, kind of show you what it's looking like. That's what it's gonna be like. I'll finish that off, and once it's all nice and set, then we'll get our first coat of primer on there. But that's kind of what it's looking. It's looking kind of ugly, but I went from like brushing it on to like doing a holy water move on it. It's because it brushes on with a little like brush. Let's see here, that little brush right there, and that was working okay. But then I kind of developed a method where it's just kind of like you throw it against the wall with the brush, see what sticks. That seemed to work pretty good. So I'm gonna dub that the holy water throw. That's probably how it was invented, man. They probably said, oh, look at those guys, they're stucco in the house by hand, throwing that stuff up on the wall. Anyways, all right, that's where it's at. And just a word of caution, I don't know if there's any crypto bros out there in the interweb land, but I think I might have got duped for like $5 on crypto. I'm telling you, man, this stuff, I don't know, man. I don't know, it seems kind of scammy to me. You know, anytime you get a message that says, hey, you want your crypto, you want your $5 worth of crypto back, pay us 1,000. I'm like, damn, those guys got a good return on my investment. Anyways, yeah, cash still works kind of nice. I like that. Yeah, I take check. Yeah, I take check. I guess as a matter of payment, I would accept, you know, crypto as long as it's legit. You know. Okay, that's where it's at. Enjoy.